open your OBS. If you are using OBS, please open your OBS and click this plus icon. Go to display capture. It will ask you to create new. Click OK and click OK. So when you click OK, you will end up with this page, and you can place this exactly in your window. So this is your working window. This is what we call it as a working tile. So in this working tile, what we have done is we are going to capture the display, whatever that is going to be displayed in our computer screen. This is going to capture. And if you want to capture any specific window, for example, if you want to capture a PowerPoint window, then you have to click this, go to window capture. Say if you want to add, create new, okay, create new. It will ask you which window you want to use. See, all these windows are open right now, so it is asking for which window I want to use. So what I will do, I will discard this for time now. See, if your PowerPoint is open, let me explain that to you. Say for example, I will go to that now. What I will do, I will go to ICT workshop. I will open up my PowerPoint. See, now my PowerPoint is open. Say for example, you have your PowerPoint that has to be recorded. So open up your PowerPoint, keep it open. Now go to OBS. Okay. Now go to OBS. I will remove this window capture. To remove it, you have to just click it and press delete. Okay. Now I will add window capture. I am going to create a new window capture. Okay. You can see, can you see here? What is here? What is put up here?
ICT workshop.
Yes, PowerPoint. So I click this PowerPoint. Now this particular window will be captured and I click OK. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes. Now what I will do, you can see here, I have a button here. What is the button? Start recording. So that's it. If you want to add your video, that is your image, your visual, you have to go to video capture device. So click the video capture device. It will ask you to create new or add existing. You can add existing. If you click OK, that existing is not available right now, so it will ask you, yeah. So my HD camera is here, and if I put it here, see, you can bring your video here. Right? So everything is ready. Now what I need to do is I have to start recording. So I will start recording. So my recording has started. I will reduce this. Welcome, good morning. So you can talk in this. What is ICT enabled teaching? So you can talk Zoom and you can. Are we delivering deliver your lecture? You can talk hours together in using this PowerPoint slides. And once you are complete, you just come out from this, go to your OBS, and you stop recording. Once your recording is stopped, go to File and click Show Recording. You can see your recordings here. Okay, so your file is here. See, 354. I will click that file. So my recording has started. I will reduce this. Welcome, good morning. So you can talk in this what is ICT enabled teaching? So you can talk and you can one thing which I want to deliver your lecture. I will just do this. Now here you have to put your display capture at the top. Okay, just put your display capture at the top. First it will be your video capture at the top, then your display capture, and then your window capture. Okay, I will start recording. So you can talk and you can record. Stop recording. Let us check. Go to show recording.
So in case we want to change it, is it possible?
What do you want to change?
Already recorded one, if we want to change, is it possible to change like that?
No, I don't get you. You want to change means you want to delete it or you want to correct it, something like that?
Yes, sir. Correction.
Correction, ma'am, actually in this recording, no, that is the reason why I asked you to download video editor. This recording, no, you can make millions of mistakes.
Okay.
Whatever mistake you make, you don't worry.
Okay.
You simply talk, because later it can be corrected using your video editor.
Okay.
So you don't have to worry. You don't see, say for example, see one day what happened. I started talking as if I thought I have started recording.
Okay.
But only after 15 minutes I realized I have not pressed the start button.
Oh.
Okay, so all these things will happen. So you don't have to worry.
Okay, sir.
I will start recording. Yes, can you see? So you can talk.
Yes, sir.
And you can record. Has anyone tried it now? Right now. If you have tried it, can you please display it? Now, I told you at the beginning what I am doing. I am actually helping you out to learn OBS. Please remember this order. The first should be video capture. The second should be display capture. The third should be window capture. You are ready for recording for hours together. What you need is a software called OBS. You can even take a screenshot and keep it for your reference. Because if you change this order, your PowerPoint will not work in the full mode, as you saw in the earlier video. Did you see in the earlier video? In the earlier video which we recorded, you can see it here. We have changed that display to the top. See what happened here? Recording has started. I will reduce this. I am still clicking the full view mode, but that mode is not working. Can you see that? Morning.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you can talk in this. What is ICT? Okay. So please remember that what you have to do. Has anyone tried right now? Just record a 1-minute video for us, and you can screen share. You can show it to all the audience. Now you can also add a media source. Can you see here? Okay. So what is this media source? I'll tell you. Now, what is this media source? Now, this media source is readily available in our what do you call? See, all these are media sources which you can download from internet. Okay. Let me take this magical moments. source, or let me put it as add existing. Add existing is not working. Okay. Let me browse it. Yes. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
So this is my media source. Now what I will do, my media source is at the top, so I have to move it to the bottom. Now I have got my background. Can you see? Yes, and this background has a music. So all these media sources have a music. So what you need to do is you have to reduce that sound of that media source. Don't forget to reduce the sound, otherwise your voice will not be audible. So reduce the sound of that media source. Okay, let me make it as 35. Okay, now let me start recording again. I'm recording again. Welcome, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Very good afternoon to all the participants who are here. So I'm really happy and excited to meet you all in this ICT enabled teaching learning process workshop. I will stop this and let us see what is our output. So I have stopped recording. Let me go to my show recording. So I have my recording here. I'm recording again. Welcome, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Very good afternoon to all the participants who are here. So I'm really happy and excited to meet you all in this ICT enabled teaching learning process workshop. I will stop this and let us see what is our output. So I have